Hello there. Let's go for another Fibble, where every line contains a lie. Starting word today is fauna. Let's see what we can do with that. Let's suppose this A is a lie. And let's try quail. Lot of vowels. Okay. This can't be both true. That means there is no way. What can we do with that? So we suppose this is true and this is a lie. Then what else is like here? Let's suppose this is a lie and let's try under. Okay, so these two can be. Oh, I forgot about the L. Well, anyway, these can't be both true, so we know this is true and this is true. So let's suppose this is a lie. These are true. And maybe this is a lie. And this is a lie. Or this is a lie. Let's try this. Try I. Oh, that was interesting. These can't be both true. So we know for sure there is a B, and these can't be true. So we know for sure there is a. Let's suppose this is indeed a lie. This is true, this is true, this would be then true. So this is a lie. And this is a lie. And what else is a lie here? And this be lies? No, because then this would be true, this would be a lie. So no, there is no. If this was a lie, this was true, this was a lie. But if this was a lie, the L should be here, and then this would be a lie. So this is true. That we know. Okay, what else? Let's see. Let's do this, and this is lies. And this should be a lie as well. And can we make a word like that? No, we can't. That's not the case. This is hard. Let's try IOS and see what we get from that. Okay. So these can't be both true, these can't be both true. If these were both true, these would be both lies. So this is true, and this is true. Therefore, this is a lie, this is true, and this is true. This is true. This is a lie. This is true. There is a lie, so this is a lie, and this is true. If these were both true, then these would be both lies. So this is true, this is true, and this is true. So let's suppose these are the lies. Maybe. Is there any word like that? If these were the lies, then the word should be, which is not a word for sure, right? So therefore, this is true, this is a lie, and this is true, this is a lie. How about field? Oh, no F. I was thinking of field, but there is no F. Is there any word like that? Well, oh, so, sorry, we know this is true. If this were a lie, then the word would be, which is not a word, right? So this is true. Likewise, if this were a lie, then we would have, which is not a word. So this is true. This can't be a lie because we know there is an I. So this is true. This is a lie. So let's keep brute forcing. Oh, yield. Yeah, of course. So let's jump that and try to find another word. Oh, I missed this one. Not. Sorry. This is a lie, this is true, this is true, this is true, and this is true. And so, as expected, the word is yield. Bye for now.